Pandas, split separated values in a DataFrame column, one series, into multiple columns. Elegant solutions? I have a column in a DataFrame, which is a column in a CSV, which are comma-separated values. I'd like to split this column into multiple columns. The problem is an old one, and has been discussed here also, but there is one peculiarity: one entry may be from 0 and comma-separated values. An example. I'd like the following output, or similar, for example true/false. I'm currently experimenting with the series.str.split and then series.to_dict functions, but without any satisfactory results, causing always a value error. Column arrays must all be same length. Smile. Also, I always try to find elegant solutions which are easily understandable when looked at after a couple of months. Smile. In any case, propositions are highly appreciated. Here is the dummy.csv for testing.
This is very similar to another question today. As I said in that question, there may be a simple elegant pandas way to do this, but I also find it convenient to simply create a new data frame and populate it by iterating over the original one in the following fashion. Now create a new data frame with the other column. Form the df as the index and columns that are drawn from the unique characters found in your val column in the df. Now simply iterate over the index of the new _df, slicing the original df at that value, and iterate over the columns to see if they appear in the relevant _ string. Output looks like this.
If you want to see more videos, consider subscribing.